Well, he came out for a second and tasted the tuna mackerel mix. Come on, baby. Hi, little guy. You want to try some food? Here you go. Come here. That's the salmon. Oops, I dropped it. I know you're scared, baby. I know. Come here. Did you find it? Did you find it? Here you go. Oh, he's smelling it. What do you think, guy? Here, let's see if we maybe dip in a little churro. They seem to really like that. Here you go. You're okay. It's okay. Oh, sorry. I don't know why I did that. There you go, baby. Oops. Okay. He'll come out when he's ready to eat. He did come out and eat a little bit. And of course, it's wildlife. They're supposed to stay wild. They're supposed to be afraid of us. I just wanted to show all of my cuddly supporters that I have a new creature in, and this one is just so cute. Oh my goodness. I had no idea we had mink out here. Absolutely. And the mink are concerned for their oh my goodness. They're not endangered. They're on the concerned list because there is actually they anticipate that there's less than 100 remaining in the wild in South Texas. So this little boy right here is very important to help repopulate. From what I understand, at our state park, which is where he came from, there are 3 or 4 colonies that have developed over time. So he needs to go back out there. I'm hoping that we can do, I will video the release when he is ready to release, and I am hoping to reunite him with his family because we do know where his family is at.